I recently bought makeup from Temu and I'm excited to do this video and scared at the same time because I'm not sure whether it would actually cause like an allergic reaction to my skin, because these were dirt cheap, but I was super curious to see how well they perform because some of these are exact dupes. Like, look at this, guys. This is the e.l.f. Powergrip dupe. So this is the Temu version and this is the e.l.f.
They're the same thing. Dupes! Dupe!
So let's get started. Let's go in with the lip sleeping mask, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and it looks exactly the same. It even comes with a cute little applicator. Like, come on guys, look at this. It smells so good. It smells like actual berries. So let's put this on. And it feels super hydrating as well. And then next I am going to go in with the e.l.f. dupe, so this one. It doesn't have any smell. It has that tackiness as well. It does have that stickiness to the face, but I'm just going to let it sit for a bit more. Next I'm doing my eyebrows using the D&M Thickening Brown Mascara, and this reminds me of a NYX product. And I already have thick eyebrows, so I'm not sure how well this is performing, but I like the fact that it's giving a slight tint to my brows and it actually kind of set it at the same time. Next I'm just going to quickly set it further using the Brow Lift dupe, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the e.l.f. Brow Lift. And as you can see, it actually looks like it has more product. However, the e.l.f. one looks very clear and this one has a slight sort of yellowy tint to it. Dupe comes with a spoolie, so that's quite convenient. And it feels really thick as well. I'm going to brush it into my brows. I think the thickening mascara actually set the brows quite well. I quickly just added some tinted moisturizer and my concealer because I didn't purchase any of that on Temu. Next I'm going in with some bronzer, and this is super similar to the Shein blushes that are viral all over TikTok, and this is the shade 101 light to medium. I love these applicators. Whoa, that is pigmented. Blend it out effortlessly. Okay, so for blush we have quite a few options and I was super excited for this one. So this is supposed to be the Charlotte Tilbury dupe. Just look at how similar the packaging is. This is the Temu and this is the actual Charlotte Tilbury packaging. So this is this and this is the Charlotte Tilbury. The Charlotte Tilbury packaging is a bit more metallic, but the applicator look exactly the same. Let me quickly show you the other blush options. So this one is supposed to be the Rare Beauty dupe. It's actually quite slim compared to the actual Rare Beauty product. The Rare Beauty blusher, and this is the Temu blusher. Next blush option I have is another one of those Shein dupes. I'm not sure if Temu and Shein are sister companies. I'm not going to swatch this one because I really like Shein blushes, so I want to try the Charlotte Tilbury dupe. It also has a lock mechanism. This is a very bright pink. I like that none of these products have like a strong scent or anything, as well as expecting from Temu product. And guys, look at this brush. If you know, you know it is a Rare Beauty dupe. Out with the brush. The pigment is very subtle. I was expecting more pigmentation, but I guess that's a good thing because these can get super pigmented and then go crazy. I am a blush girly, so I like really pigmented blushes, but I'm not complaining because I'd rather build on the blush than having to take away some blush. Add some of the Rare Beauty dupe. Whoa, now that is pigmented. Okay, so you do have to work a bit faster with this one. I do like to sort of add some of my base product on top of my blusher, so it gives that sort of I'm blushing from within sort of look. Next to the eyes, and this is so pretty. Like, it's supposed to be a Huda Beauty dupe. Huda palette, so this is the Huda palette. They don't have any shade names, so are you a drugstore or high-end girly? Let me know in the comments, because I'm actually both. I like trying out all sort of makeup, whether it's expensive or if it's more affordable. If I can find an affordable option for a high-end product, I'm for it. But of course, since I'm always on TikTok, if somebody recommends a product, then I have to try it out. Okay, let's try some of the shimmer shades. I just picked up the second shade here. Wow, this is actually so pretty, guys. Look at this. That gold is beautiful. Now, I picked up a mascara, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the, I believe, the Maybelline mascara. The Sky High, yeah. The Sky High mascara. Okay, so this is actually doing quite a good job. I don't have high hopes when it comes to mascaras, high-end or drugstore. My lashes are quite short, but this actually gave it some sort of length. I'm trying not to do the mascara face like... Okay, so that did a pretty good job. I've seen Temu, they have dupes for literally everything. You could find anything on Temu. I was thinking of getting more products from Temu. I saw dupes of the Summer Friday lip glosses. I saw dupes of some lashes and Charlotte Tilbury products as well. So I'm thinking I might do a part 2, so let's see. Next we have some highlighter, and this is another dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury glow ones. I don't have the Charlotte Tilbury version, but let's see how this looks. It looks quite dark in the applicator, but that's gold. That is so pretty. I thought it was going to be very dark on my skin, but I like it. I like the way it's giving that sort of sheen. Maybe the product separated, I'm not sure, but I do like the way this looks on my skin. Lastly, we have the lip product. I can't wait to try this out. It came with a lip liner and a liquid lipstick, so let's try it. It's one of those retractable lip liners. It's applying on very smoothly. This smells like bubblegum. The liquid lipstick is also applying very smoothly, because usually this gets very patchy on me. Maybe the lip mask helped, but I'm not sure. It's a beautiful colour. I love it. What do you think, guys? I actually love the way it looks. The blusher and the highlighter really impressed me. Even the eyeshadow is super pigmented for the price. I am very much impressed. Let me know if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.